Children's Day Speech. Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, worthy teachers, and my dear friends. Today, the special assembly is organized to celebrate Children's Day, also known as Bal Divas. I, from class, extend my warmest greetings and wishes to all of you on this auspicious day. Childhood is the best phase of life that should be healthy and full of happiness so that all children are ready to lead the nation ahead and contribute to country's growth and development. November 14, Children's Day is celebrated all across India as a tribute to our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawahar Nehru. Nehru ji, due to his love for children, was also fondly known as Chacha Nehru. During his regime, he advocated for children to have compulsory education and was vocal for their rights. After the death of Pandit Jawahar Nehru in 1964, a resolution was passed in Indian Parliament and his birth anniversary was chosen as the date for Children's Day in India. Children's Day is celebrated to increase awareness on the rights and education of children. The day emphasizes the importance of giving love, attention, and affection to children. On this special day, schools and educational institutions conduct various programs like speeches, skits, songs, dances. Children are presented with sweets and gifts as an attempt to make this day memorable. I would like to conclude by a wonderful quote by Chacha Nehru. The children of today will make the India for tomorrow. The way we bring them up determine the future of the country. So, dear all, let's celebrate this day with joy and appreciate the gift of childhood. Happy Children's Day, everyone. Thank you.